economic loss from the Los Angeles wildfires, already among the worst in history, has topped $50 billion. That's according to forecaster AccuWeather. The service added that the total estimate, now as high as $57 billion, would be revised upward if more densely populated neighborhoods were affected. By comparison, AccuWeather estimated the damage from the 2023 Maui wildfires at $13 to $16 billion. The LA wildfires, which have raged since Tuesday, have killed several people, destroyed hundreds of buildings, and stretched firefighting resources and water supplies. J.P. Morgan believes insured losses could stand at around $10 billion, mostly related to homeowners coverage. Property consultant CoreLogic estimates that there are over 456,000 homes with nearly $300 billion in reconstruction value in the city's at-risk areas.